Hey guys, Ashley here. Today I'm going to show you how to use Wander Beauty to do this face. Fully washed my face, everything is off of it, and now I am going to tone and essence with Mist Connection. This is like the greatest feeling mist in the entire world. It's like the Evian spray mist, but better. So now I'm just letting this soak in, letting my skin absorb it, and I'm gonna put on the Do Not Disturb Overnight Concentrate, which is 1% retinoid. And as you can see, I look a little tired. I have some like faded acne and old scars that I'm trying to work on, and this bad boy really helps. One squirt, that's all I need. That's it. I'm done. I'm ready to go to sleep. When I wake up in the morning, I'll look better. Out of the shower, I've washed off the Do Not Disturb from last night. My face is totally clean, and I'm going to start with the Mist Connection Essence and Toner. You just give it a nice little spritz. It actually feels really good. And just let it sink in for a second. Next, we're going to add Hidden Glow. It's a brightening cream. It's a face cream with some kind of like highlighter-y stuff in it. So point is, it moisturizes and makes you really like shimmery and glowy and beautiful. Okay, so I'm not gonna put on foundation today because we live in a COVID world, and foundation is just like not a thing I do right now. But I want to highlight some of their products, which are incredible. So let's start with under eye. So this is the Dualist Concealer, and I got this in, what color is this? Light. So it's double-ended. One side is a stick, one side is like a cream. And I go in and I do a little bit of this business. I'm not going to spot treat on my cheek just yet because I'm going to put blush on and it's just going to basically go away. But these other spots, I think that's good. So I'm doing that. And then I like to take a fluffy like eyeshadow brush. Just blend it. I can't tell you how much I genuinely love this concealer. I think it's the best concealer I've ever tried in my life. It's incredible. So now I'm gonna do, this is more of like an illuminating concealer. So I'm gonna I dab this under my eyes. This one I tap in a little bit. You see that? Oh, so looks like I actually slept well. Okay, so now I'm going to take the On the Glow blush and highlighter stick, which is also pretty incredible. I got, what color is this? Bare and Nude Glow. So I just do a few taps. This is actually super pigmented, so if you do more than that, it's a lot. And I'm a big believer in blush. I feel like blush is kind of like a necessity. So this one I feel like I need to blend a little bit more. As you can see, it's really like this. It really kind of like highlights my acne scars and my hyperpigmentation, but don't worry, we're gonna take care of that. So now I'm gonna use the highlighting side, which is Nude Glow. Just do a little zoop, zoop. And I like to buff that in a little bit too. Ooh. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna go back to my Duelist Concealer and use the stick to just spot treat these kind of like acne scar. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but these acne scar spots. And I'm just gonna buff that in a little bit. So much better. Okay, so now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes real quick. So for the purposes of this, and just to show you how versatile this stick is, I'm gonna use the color on my lids because it's just such a pretty color, and I like when you have the same color kind of like running through your face, if you get what I mean. Plus it's just like the easiest thing. All I needed to do was bring this one stick and I'm good. And I'm going to use Mile High Club mascara from them, which is a volume and lengthening mascara. So I really like that it's in a squeezy pump. You know, you can use every last drop. All right, now I'm gonna use Bare once again. First, I'm gonna do a little highlight right here with Nude Glow because I think that's just like so pretty, and I saw Lindsay Ellington do it, and if she does it, well, then I can do it. Put a little on the bridge of my nose. And now, I'm gonna use Bare. I'm just gonna so, once again, I used the On The Glow Blush and Illuminator on my eyes, on my cheeks, on my lips. Like, it's the easiest thing in the world. So basically, just to reiterate, these 3 products did my entire face, which is pretty incredible. So if we were living in the olden days, pre-COVID, that's all you would need in your makeup bag. It's pretty incredible. So you could do this on the bus, you could do this in the bathroom when you get to work, whatever it is. But that's it. Pretty great.